welcome to Hyperallergenic Collection. Well, today I wanted to share with you why I started this channel. Well, I wanted those who have food, material, or even metal allergies to experience the same kind of joy that those people who don't have such allergies also enjoy by being able to recreate whatever others can use and what they can't by using just kitchen ingredients or minimalistic recipe. The girl has chronic eczema and she has multiple material, metal and food allergies. She's severely allergic to milk, egg, oats and honey, dates, and the list goes on. So most of her food items are mostly home cooked. Most of the products are homemade because she's even allergic to artificial colors. So I recreate everything and almost everything for her. And I'm going to unravel all those tricks of the trade which I tried and tested and proven effective. There are 5 areas that I'm going to cover. One of them is recipes, food recipes which are hyperallergenic. I try to make the minimal number of ingredients and those which are found in the kitchen, and something that you can put together within like less than 10 minutes because that's the amount of time that. So minimalistic, hyperallergenic, allergy-free recipes is going to be up in my channel. I'm also going to have lots of skincare products that's homemade. I'll share recipes of them with you. I mean, my girl has hyperallergenic moisturizers, skincare, even powders, everything and anything that's needed by the skincare. I will share with you the science behind it and also what's needed and how I've put together her skincare products that's suitable for even the most gentle and sensitive skin. I will also share with you beauty products, how you can recreate your own beauty products at the comfort of your house using kitchen ingredients. Again, I mean, even the makeup I've applied for myself is all made homemade, using arrowroot powder, like charcoal powder, beetroot powder, rose petal powder. I mean, all organic, food-based skincare, beauty care products I will share with you real soon. And then the 4th area that I'll be covering is on having fun using allergy-free toys or materials where you can do Play-Doh with just wheat, flour, salt and sugar. You can recreate whatever items that kids are having fun with at home using kitchen ingredients. Again, I will be unraveling all those crucial recipes that will enable you to recreate those fun even if you are not able to afford it outside. I mean, my recipes are real simple. And the last category I'll be covering is also on health. What are the simple home remedies, grandma remedies, TCM, Ayurveda, science-backed research and remedies, essential oils. I've tried and tested every type of it, I would say, and I will be releasing them to you in batches because I've got so limited time. I can only do such videos when my kids are asleep because my ingredients that I use for all these 5 areas are usually kitchen ingredients. So I hope you enjoy watching these videos that I'm putting up for you, and do hit the subscribe button and follow me so that you will get notifications every time my natural videos are up. So stay tuned and ta-ta!